was a wreck. Literally, I was at crisis point. I was in crisis. And I'm not, I wouldn't go as far as saying recovered, and because this week alone showed me, the tightening of the grip can throw me back into that mode in a heartbeat. I am not I am not completely out of the woods, but I am able to recognize the signs and take action. I have the choice to not respond to this call. It's not an emergency, so I'm going to exercise that choice. And it's okay. No is no. Complete sentence. Compared to where I was when we first spoke to now, major shift, major difference.
What would you say was the
Biggest hitting that I can thrive and not just barely be surviving. And my mindset has shifted significantly. I don't feel, I don't feel, I don't feel that I'm in that crisis mode. I feel empowered. I feel that I have more control than I allowed myself to realize. Feeling more confident.
What would you say to somebody who is thinking of joining?
Right ahead and don't even think twice about it. Just start. You will be blown away by your own transformation in the 6 weeks. You will not recognize yourself in a good way.
Right.
In a good way. No, seriously. I would say the transformation is unbelievable, and it steps may seem really simple, but there's something about going through the process the way you go through it that it just unfolds effortlessly. Change happens effortlessly. Like I'm doing things and I don't have to consciously think about it. And that's completely different from who I was. Don't think about it. Just go ahead and start. All you need to ask is, when's the date? How do I pay? What do I need? And you do the rest.
I'm very proud